Hello, welcome to from barbecue. I'm going to use my griddle today because it's 75 degrees and sunny. And today I'm going to make some plaice with some veggies. Let me show you what I have. So we have broccoli stems diced up, broccoli flowers, some spring onions, and some black kale. Then I have some brine pork, which is similar to bacon, although it's not smoked. And then I have the plaice, which I've seasoned with the herbs and citrus flavored spice that I found the other day. And there we go. So this is actually very hot now, which is good because I'm going to start by frying the brine pork. Hopefully I'm not going to move too much in front of the camera today. This is just going to be a topping, like I said, but I could go over there. Then we're going to put a little bit of oil on here and start frying the broccoli stems. I'll fry them for a little bit and then I'm going to move them to the side and continue with the rest. These are starting to brown up a little bit, so I'm going to move them to the back. A little bit more oil. Time for the spring onions. And then on the vegetables, I'm going to use this spice. It's garlic and herbs. I'm going to start putting that on so I don't miss a spot. I think it's time to put the broccoli on here. And then we have the kale. I'm going to move this to the back. Time to start with the fish any minute now. Gonna spread this out, mix it all together. One little bit of that pork fat, prawn. Since we're cooking plaice, you need a little bit of butter for that. So I got about 2 tablespoons here, or whatever that is. The plaice is really thin, so it's going to be a very quick process to fry it. This can just stay over here. There we go. Time to put these guys on. I'm going to put them with the seasoning down, and then I'm going to season them as soon as they're on here. So I get them all on before they're done. Well, I don't have the citrus seasoning, so I'm going to use the other one because this is time is of the essence, as they say. And once you see them go white, it's time to flip them and turn them over. This is 3, 6, 7, 11 fillets, and they're a total of 1 pound. So they're really tiny, these fish, but they're going to be a perfect source of protein for this. Yep, starting to fall apart. Okay, I'm going to start lifting this up on a plate. Well, there we go. Step 1. Now we're just going to add the fish to this. Yeah, it's starting to fall apart, so it's done. Just gonna top with this. Try to catch a little bit of this gooey sauce. And then we're gonna top the pork. And there we go. Time to take a picture. There we go, some cauliflower, kale, and brine pork, and some plaice. Let's taste it. That's really nice. So I got a good use out of my griddle this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.